In this quick guide, we're going to walk you through exactly how to send a Livestorm webinar replay link. Whether you're a first-time user or just looking to make sure you're doing it right, you're in the right place. Stick with me till the end, and I'll even share an exclusive way to access Livestorm for free, plus some bonuses to help you get the most out of the platform. First off, when your Livestorm webinar is over, you may want to send out the replay link to your attendees or anyone who missed it. Here's how you can do that. After your webinar has concluded, Livestorm automatically saves the recording, so you don't have to worry about manually starting or stopping the recording during the event. To access the replay, simply go to your Livestorm dashboard. From there, navigate to the Webinars section, and you'll see a list of all your past webinars. Find the webinar you want to share, and you'll notice an option to view the recording. Click on it, and there you have it. The webinar replay link is ready to be shared. Next, if you want to send the link to your attendees, there are a couple of ways to do it. You can copy the direct URL and email it to your audience manually, or you can use Livestorm's built-in email features to automatically send out a replay email. It's that simple. When using Livestorm, you can also customize your emails, add subject lines, or even choose a specific time to send the replay. This level of flexibility ensures that you can engage your audience at the right time. It's perfect for follow-ups, ensuring your content doesn't get lost in your audience's inbox. Additionally, you have control over the settings for your replay link. Livestorm allows you to decide who can access the replay. You can set it to public, or you can make it private and require users to log in or provide an email before viewing the content. This helps maintain exclusivity or track who's engaging with your webinar content. Now, what if you want to offer a live session, but also give people who didn't attend the option to watch on demand? That's another area where Livestorm shines. You can set the webinar to automatically transition to an on-demand replay right after the session ends, ensuring no one misses out on your valuable content. A cool feature to mention is that Livestorm integrates well with other tools for your digital marketing campaigns. Whether you're using CRM systems or email marketing platforms, you can easily connect Livestorm to streamline your communication and ensure your webinar replays reach the right audience. Remember, sharing webinar replays is a fantastic way to keep engaging with your audience. It allows people who couldn't attend live to catch up and still benefit from the information you've shared, and it can help generate more leads by showing your expertise and driving further interest. Before you go, I want to remind you that you can try Livestorm completely free through the exclusive link in the description below. This is a limited time offer, and if you sign up now, you'll get access to some special bonuses that'll help you get started with Livestorm even faster. So now you know how to send a Livestorm webinar replay link. It's quick and easy, and with Livestorm's additional features, you'll be able to engage your audience like never before. Make sure to take advantage of the free trial and bonuses by clicking the link below. That's it for today. I hope this guide helped.